If you're looking for comfort and tranquility, this place is made for you. A modern apartment with an elegant design where every detail is carefully crafted. An open space that seamlessly combines the living area and kitchen, filled with natural light throughout the day. A fully equipped kitchen with a practical and modern design. Everything is ready to make your daily routine smooth and effortless. A cozy and stylish living area, perfect for relaxing or hosting guests in a warm and calm atmosphere. A modern bathroom with clean finishes, featuring all the details you need for everyday comfort. And the bedrooms? Complete serenity, with a simple, elegant design that helps you unwind and escape the stress of the day. This isn't just an apartment, it's a complete living experience that blends comfort, simplicity, and elegance. One of the key advantages is the fully integrated services available right below the apartment, including a cafe, a gym, and a reception desk ready to assist residents, giving you convenience, saving time, and providing a sense of comfort and security. Book now and start a calmer,